In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assemblies on this Ford F-350. We're going to upgrade them for these performance headlights with the LED strip. Let's get started. With the tailgate open, you'll see two 8mm bolts that we have to remove to pull the taillight out. With those off, slowly and gently pull on this. It's going to be clipped in on the side of the bed. There we go. All right. Don't go too far with it, not that you can't because the harness is pretty short, but what we're going to do at this point is press on these tabs on the connectors and unlock them. Sometimes they get really stuck on there, so a pocket screwdriver is going to come in handy to pry up right on this little lever here and allow you to unclip the harness. There's also usually quite a bit of debris in here. There we go. Slide that out. You're going to want to inspect these connectors for corrosion because a lot of times, being right back here, these do corrode. This one looks all right, so I'm going to move on to the reverse light bulb and unplug this one. Same way, this one is kind of stuck. I'm going to use the pocket screwdriver to help me out. Lots of sand in here. Shake that out. This one looks all right, and there's the old taillight. On the new taillight, if you flip it over, you'll notice that the two bulbs are actually flipped around, so you have the reverse light bulb on the bottom and the brake light bulb / running light bulb on the top. That's totally fine. However, there is this extra harness with this resistor that we have to glue inside of there, so we are going to have to peel the double-sided tape off. That way it can be properly secured on the inside of the bed where the taillight mounts. So I'm going to take that off. I already cleaned an area right here where it's not in the way of anything, and I'm going to glue it right there. Perfect. Now we can take our harnesses, and I'm actually going to flip these around. So I'm going to, well, it looks like the brake light bulb is already on the top, but the reverse light, I'm going to have to just fish down through the bottom. There we go. Let's plug these in. Make sure that they click in and are fully locked in place. Same with this one. Gently insert the taillight assembly and make sure that it locks in on the side of the bed while also fitting in properly right over here. Give it a couple taps, that should lock it in. Let's put the two screws in to properly secure it. These are going to have to cut new threads into the plastic housing, so line them up and start them in. Make sure that the taillight squishes up against the bed a little bit. Once it's flush and the screw is snug, you can move on to the next one. And there you go. Repeat the same process on the other side. As always, test these out to make sure they function as they should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.